Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this popcorn stitch flower. So in this first part I will show you how to make this flower, and next part I will show you how to make the square in this flower. So I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn. You can use any yarn you want or any color you want. And for this project I have used 4 mm crochet hook, and also we need scissor. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 1 chain, then make 8 single crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now slip stitch in the very first single crochet. Now work for round 2. So now make the popcorn stitch. So first make 3 chain. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 3 double crochet in same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. So here I have got total 4 double crochet. Now insert hook in this top of chain. Now pull this loop here. So this is the first popcorn stitch. Now make 2 chain, then make another popcorn stitch. So make 4 double crochet in next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then insert hook in this first double crochet. Now pull this loop through it. So this is the second popcorn stitch. Make 2 chain. So let's see how to make it. First make 4 double crochet in next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now pull the yarn. Now insert hook in this first double crochet stitch, then pull this loop through it. Make 2 chain. So continue up to end. So here I have completed the second round. Now make 2 chain and slip stitch in this back side of popcorn stitch. So now start with round 3. So slip stitch in this next chain space, then make 3 chain. So now again make the popcorn stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So here I have got total 4 double crochet. Now insert hook in this first chain, then pull this loop through it, make 2 chain. So again make 1 popcorn stitch in same chain space. So we have to make 2 popcorn stitch in each chain space. So first make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now pull the yarn, insert hook in this first double crochet, then make pull this loop through it. So here I have got 2 popcorn stitch in same chain space, then again make 2 chain. So let's see the pattern again. So make 4 double crochet in next chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now pull the loop, insert yarn, insert hook in this first double crochet, then pull this loop through it, make 2 chain, again make popcorn stitch in same chain space. So make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull the loop, insert hook in this first double crochet, then pull this loop through it, make 2 chain. So continue this pattern up to end. So here I have completed the third round. Now in the last, make 2 chain and slip stitch in this back side of this popcorn stitch. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. So this is the middle of flower. So I will show you to make this square in the second part. So wait for till end. Thanks for watching.